This is Matt, and this will be the quickest video you can imagine on how to upload a file or a folder in Dropbox. So I'm inside a folder, I'm inside this final VBB presentations folder on Dropbox. Doesn't matter where you are on Dropbox, I just happen to be within a folder right here. So you may be on your main Dropbox menu, it doesn't matter. So we've got the upload here, or simply, even more simple, I'm just going to back out of here. You have some files or folders. This could be files or folders. I've got a file here, it's just a random screenshot. Literally here on my computer, and all you're going to do is you're going to drag that and just drop it there. It's called Dropbox for a reason. We're just literally going to drop that in there. I don't want to actually add that one right now, but you will literally just do that. You will just drag a folder or a file, like I just showed you, into the window, and it will upload. And just like that, that file or folder will be on Dropbox. I've made this as straightforward as possible. You could click around all of these and, you know, it's time consuming. Just literally drag a file or a folder in, and there you go. You have uploaded a file or a folder to Dropbox in the simplest possible way. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.